A warm welcome to everyone. We are always know about the term stenography, but most of the people didn't know what stenography is, what are the different criterias for learning stenography, and how can we achieve success in a stenography. So today we are discussing about criteria for shorthand. So everyone tells that there is a minimum age criteria, that you must be 18-year old, or that or this. So forget about that things. If you want to learn steno, firstly you have to prepare that you have enough time to give steno, and you will learn already. If you are firstly you are learning about English, Hindi, and most of the subjects in from beginning. When you are start learning in schools and colleges, you have most of the subjects, but this subject is totally different from those subjects. So in a stenography, you have to firstly consider the criteria that works on stenography. So you have to give time to stenography. Firstly, you have to give time to stenography. If you have time, then you are achievable in stenography and you can do stenography easily. So first criteria is that give time to stenography. If you have enough time, you have daily 2 to 3 hours, then you will learn stenography. Second thing, in a stenography, you mostly know the things which are based on different parts of speeches, different parts of terms. Like when you learn stenography, there are no alphabets, there are no English spellings, there are no nothing that you have learned earlier. So in a stenography, you must revise your part that called strokes which are called strokes. You have to practice all that strokes. And secondly, you have to give time strokes as well as what your basic concept. Like if you are preparing for a stenography exam, then you have to deal mostly about two parts. First part is your CBT part. CBT part, like the subjects we you have to learn is stenography in CBT part, like English, reasoning, and GS. These are the subjects which are coming in the CBT part. So firstly you have to learn these parts. Then after that you have to work on stenography. In a stenography, you have different speeds of matters you have to write and you have to type. So those speeds, how those speeds work? Like in a stenography, if you are go for Group D exams, then you have to meet the need of speed 80 WPM. This 80 WPM speed you have to write in 10 minutes. 10 minutes you have to write 800 words. These 800 words you have to write in steno. After that, when you complete that 800 word in steno, then you have to type in 40 minutes. Then you have to type in 40 minutes. Sorry, this is not 40 minutes, this is 50 minutes. So firstly you have to start steno writing skill, and if you are able to write 80 word per minute, so when you write 80 word per minute dictation, then this is not enough that you only have steno knowledge and you will write the steno in 80 word per minute speed, but you also have to type that 80 word per minute speed dictation in English. So you have both the combination of things, like you have to learn steno and also you have to learn typing. That what matter you are writing in steno, you must convert into English or Hindi, whatever language you are learning steno. So this is the criteria for group D. And if you are going for group C, then you have to go for 100 word per minute dictation. If you are going for group C, then this is 100 word per minute dictation. In a 100 word per minute dictation, firstly you have to write 1000 words in 10 minutes. When you are writing 1000 word in 10 minutes, then you have to convert in steno, and for this you have a time of 40 minutes. You have a time of 40 minutes because this is group C, so your difficulty level is also high. You have to speed, you have to write more speed, and you have to type in less time. So this is the way, this is the criteria for which you have to study steno, and you have to type and give exams to different sectors. And this is the way of learning steno. If the process start from basic to advanced, then basic part is your basic learnings that will be able to help you to understand shorthand, and after that second phase is your dictation part that will help you to speed up your steno. So thank you and Jai Hind.